let's reread this file. Go to functional trust API. When I add the database name user to the .env file, environment file, then I am able to connect to the database using Sequelize. When I enter the schema and seed commands, then a development database is created and seeded with the test data. When I enter the command line to invoke the application, then I enter blah, blah, blah. All right, so let's make sure. All right, so we're already recording. Let's get it clear. All right, so we're going to go to the .env file, which has my password and all of that stuff, which is right here, exactly what I wrote. Then when I enter the schema and seed commands, the commands are right here. So we're going to do first node seeds. Boom, clear everything seeded. There's no schema, it's just a seed. So we're good, right? Then we go to our schema so you guys can see. All right, we're going to do, these are schema commands. Boom, right? Then we're going to create a new one. Boom. And we're going to exit this. Exit. Boom. Clear. So that's in there. Then we'll run the node seeds again. Then we'll clear. Boom. Right? Then when I enter the command to invoke the application, which is node server, server.js, now we're listening. Then when I open the API get routes, right? So we're going to go to Insomnia now. Let's open that bad boy up. Alright, so that's opening up. We're going to do the routes are, so index route is that API, and API categories products or user, right? So we're going to do categories first. Categories. It says wrong route because we are missing API dash categories. What? There we go. All right, I was doing that wrong, but API categories gets categories. All right, so we've got the get, and we're gonna get one, oh, sorry. 1, 2, I don't know why that keeps happening to me, but 2, etc., etc., etc. Then we're gonna get post to create one. All right. And to create a post, we're gonna have to do this. We're gonna name it, oh, sorry. Gotta put it inside some brackets, and we're gonna name it, let's name it 7, just cause. And we're gonna call it jorts. So you guys can see what's going on. So post, boom, it created jorts. We'll go back to get, we'll be able to see jorts, right? We are going to update these to jorts without an H. You see it has an H now, has no H here. We're going to do post. It's going to tell us wrong route for whatever reason. But if we go to get, it doesn't do that. Okay, so let's see. Put ID. That's what I was missing. 7. Boom. There we go. I don't know why it's telling me internal server error. I believe it's because of this. But when we get, it changed it for us, which is a little odd to me. We're going to make this work without this. So we're going to take this here. We're going to steal this and add that here. And add that here. Boom, boom. And another one, and that one's good. All right, let's try that now. So let's change it to jerts, just so we can see. Gets an internal error, but it changes it. So I don't know what the internal error is, but it's working. Functionality is all there, which is what's required in the video. All right, so that one's there. Now we're gonna delete jerts, send, boom, gives us a 1 because it actually works. So if we go back there, sorry, boom, we get categories, no jerts, nothing. So it all worked. That's just, this is the categories. Now let's go to products. Products. These are all of our products. So ID 1, ID 6, ID 7, ID 8. I think the largest ID number I have is 5 down here. So let's go ahead and get 1. So you can see there's 1, 2, 3, etc., etc., etc. So now let's post something so we can make you guys and the YouTube algorithm happy, since that's what you guys are trying to make me a YouTuber. Let's add 8 and then branded polo. Price is going to be $21. Stock is going to be 10. And then category ID, let's leave it as 4 for now. And then so it'll match. It'll be right next to the branded baseball hat, branded polo, etc. Right? So that's where we're going to put it. Boom. What the heck just happened? Stupid spaces. Oh, should be a primary number. So let's do none. Let's see. Why does it give me these errors, but then it does include them? See, branded polo, branded polo, branded polo. So it's creating them, but it's still giving me that error, which is wonky. I need to ask somebody. Alright, so let's go back to put, update 11 to category 3. Let's go back to get to see. From number 11, it gives me category 3. change this category ID 3 to music. So that worked fabulously. It's all these stupid errors, catch error messages that are messing me up. They're silly. They happen for whatever reason. So I need to take them out, and then I should be pretty set. It should all work fabulously without the errors. They're not even necessary. But yeah, so they work. And then let's delete 11, deleted 11. So that worked fabulously. How was this get one? No, not that one. I think put is the one I changed last time. Yeah, see, all of these things are kind of a nuisance to put, which is why it gave me all those stupid ass errors. Excuse me. Well, all those silly errors. I take that back. I apologize. All right, but I did a video for each one of those. All right, so let's get tags. Boom, these are all the tags available. This is what we're going to use to create said tag later. But all right, so we get tags. We can get just the one right here. Tag 1, tag ID 1, tag ID 1, happens on multiple things. Then we can post something in there. Tag ID heap hoppity. And let's name this one 9. Hippy hop, I returned that, right? So we're solid. Then we are going to put, because we're going to edit hippy hop, right? And we're going to change it to hoppy hippie, right? Boom. Is fulfilled, is rejected, false, false. I don't know what that is. Well, let's get, oh, it worked. So odd that it keeps giving silly errors, even though it's functioning properly. But yeah, it's functioning. So let's say that. And now we're going to delete it. And it deleted it perfectly. So that is all 3. That is a functionality for all of them. Categories, products, or tags, and the data feature is displayed. One API post, put, delete, routes and insomnia. Then I'm able to successfully create boom, boom, boom. So that's done, that's done, that's done, that's done, that's done. The walkthrough video must be demonstrate the functionality. E-commerce bank, that's done. All the technical aspects of the criteria, that's done. The walkthrough demonstrate how to create a schema for myself, that's done. The walkthrough video must show how to see database from the command line, that's done. The walkthrough video must demonstrate how to start the application server, that is done. The walkthrough video must show the get routes, that's done, and that's done. So just so I can be comfy, I'll show you this part, which we did in the first of the video, is done. All right, cool.